Are you ready to tap into the gold mine of Pinterest's 500 million monthly active users? This might surprise you, but Pinterest is a platform that is still relatively untapped in terms of marketing potential. It's time to look beyond the traditional marketing platforms, the tried-and-true methods, and the well-worn paths. Forget the crowded markets of blogs and Instagram. There's a whole new world to explore, and it's on Pinterest. Pinterest has transformed into a visual engine that is a goldmine for marketers. With a user base that's 500 million strong, it's the perfect platform to let your creativity run wild. And the best part, Pinterest isn't just a social media platform, it's a visual search engine, a tool that's ripe for affiliate marketing. It's a hub for inspiration and discovery, a place where people go to uncover new ideas and find products to purchase. Pinterest is the hidden gem that's waiting for your discovery. The world of Pinterest is a rich tapestry woven with possibilities. Users on Pinterest are not just active, they are engaged, ready to interact, ready to discover, and most importantly, ready to purchase. That's why Pinterest affiliate marketing offers such an excellent opportunity for marketers. Today, I'm going to guide you through the exciting journey of Pinterest affiliate marketing, tailored for beginners who are ready to make a mark and earn significant income online. It's a journey that will take you through the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts of Pinterest affiliate marketing. From setting up your account to creating captivating pins, from a following to monetizing your efforts, we will cover it all. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest is about connecting people with the products and services they love. It's about building a community, an audience that trusts and values your recommendations. And with the right strategies and techniques, it's a platform that can help you earn a significant income online. So if you're ready to tap into this goldmine, to uncover the treasure that is Pinterest affiliate, let's get started. This is going to be an exciting journey, a journey of discovery, of learning, of growth. It's going to be a journey that takes you to the heart of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, a journey that can help you make a significant difference in your online income. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of pins and profits. Many marketers overlook Pinterest, focusing their efforts on other platforms. However, it is quite surprising as Pinterest indeed stands as a goldmine for those who are ready to explore and make the most of its 500 million active users. Rather than being a mere platform for sharing home decor ideas, recipes, or DIY projects, it has evolved into a vibrant marketplace that welcomes entrepreneurs and marketers with open arms, especially those interested in affiliate marketing. To reap the benefits of this platform, it's crucial to understand its mechanisms and its audience. Pinterest is not just a platform, it's a unique community. Its users share a common interest in discovering ideas, products, and services. They are constantly seeking inspiration and advice. This makes Pinterest a fantastic platform for affiliate marketing, where marketers can profit from recommending products to their followers. To get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing, the first step is to establish your niche. This is a process of digging deep and finding your true passion that aligns with your expertise and the interests of Pinterest users. It is crucial to be specific in selecting your niche. Rather than trying to connect with everybody, it's advisable to focus your efforts on a specific community, like the gardening community. There are thousands of Pinterest users who are passionate about gardening and are constantly for expert advice and recommendations. Once you've decided on your niche, the next stage involves creating and setting up a Pinterest account that is customized and tailored specifically for your chosen audience. It's important that your Pinterest account clearly your niche and showcases your expertise. It's not just about pinning pictures. It's about creating a narrative and telling a story that resonates with your audience. The visual aesthetics of your Pinterest account play a crucial role as well. From the color scheme to the images you choose to pin, everything should be aligned with the interests and preferences of the gardening community. Make sure your pins are visually appealing, easy to understand, and provide value to your audience. The choice of keywords is also vital in attracting the right audience. Spend some time researching the most popular keywords related to gardening and incorporate them into your pins and boards. This will increase your visibility and help you reach a wider audience. Pinterest affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, patience, and a lot of experimentation. But with the right approach and a consistent strategy, you can turn your passion for pinning into a lucrative venture. We'll walk through the process of setting up a Pinterest account that targets your chosen niche, ensuring you're positioned to attract the right audience. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find products to promote. This initial step is crucial in establishing your affiliate marketing journey. It's all about focusing on what you love, the products you believe in, and those that you would naturally recommend. This way, you're not just selling, you're sharing valuable information with your audience. Amazon Associates is a magnificent platform to kickstart your journey. This program offers an astounding variety of products that match your chosen niche. As one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, Amazon has a staggering selection of products ranging from everyday household items to niche-specific gadgets and books. Whatever your niche may be, you're likely to find a myriad of products that align perfectly with it on Amazon Associates. We're going to walk you through the process of signing up for Amazon Associates step by step to ensure that you don't miss any crucial steps. The process may seem daunting at first, but it is relatively simple once you get the hang of it. We'll help you navigate through the ocean of products and select those that not only resonate with your target audience but also offer attractive commission rates. Choosing the right products is a matter of understanding your audience. The better you know your audience, the better you can cater to their needs and interests. And remember, choosing products that offer higher commissions doesn't always mean more income. You must strike a balance between products that interest your audience and those that provide attractive commission rates. Next, you'll need a platform to showcase these products. This stage is crucial, as it's the bridge between you and your audience. There are numerous platforms available, from social media to blogs and YouTube channels. But today we're focusing on creating a website. Creating a website might sound like a tech-intensive task, but it's not. With platforms like Squarespace, you can create a visually appealing and functional website in under 30 minutes. We'll walk you through the whole process, showing you how to choose a template, customize it, and add your affiliate links. The website you'll create will serve not just as a platform to showcase your selected products, but also as your communication channel. It will be the place where you connect with your audience, build relationships, share valuable content, and drive conversions. It will be your digital storefront, a crucial tool in your affiliate marketing toolkit. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard. I'll show you how to create a basic yet effective website using Squarespace in under 30 minutes. This website will serve as your launchpad for applying to affiliate programs and connecting with your audience. Why stop at Amazon? Indeed, there's so much more to the world of affiliate marketing than this giant online marketplace. This domain is teeming with countless potential opportunities just waiting to be discovered. Some of these offer even higher commissions, and that's the exciting part: the possibility of earning more than what you currently do with Amazon. In this process, we will comprehensively explore ways to uncover these high-return affiliate programs. We'll embark on an intriguing journey to investigate how these programs operate, how they differ, and how you can leverage them for your benefit. This exploration will allow you to diversify your income sources, providing new ways to challenge and enhance your marketing skills. But before we delve into that, it's essential to understand why diversifying your affiliate portfolio is crucial. Just like any investment, having all your eggs in one basket is risky. Amazon is excellent, but it's not the end-all be-all of affiliate marketing. By spreading associations, you're not only increasing your earning potential, but also safeguarding yourself against unforeseen changes in Amazon's policy or commission structure. Now let's discuss how to discover these potent affiliate programs. You need a keen eye and a bit of internet savvy to dig up these hidden gems. A good starting point is investigating your niche market and identifying the market leaders. Then, check their websites for affiliate program information. Don't forget to check out popular affiliate networks, as they can be a goldmine of high-paying programs. Choosing the right affiliate programs is a bit of a balancing act, and it requires careful consideration. It's not about choosing the highest-paying program, but about finding a program that aligns with your audience. And this approach will ensure that your recommendations come across as authentic and valuable rather than salesy. In conclusion, the world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of possibilities. Exploring beyond Amazon can open up new avenues for substantial earnings. We'll take a look at how to find these programs and what to consider when choosing them, ensuring you maximize your earning potential. To genuinely utilize the energy of Pinterest, you'll need to upgrade your regular account to a business one. This seemingly simple step is the cornerstone that will lead you to success. This transformation from an ordinary account to a business one provides you with the incredible opportunity to access invaluable analytics. These analytics are far from your typical measurements. These are tools of immeasurable worth, designed to provide you insights and data that can truly alter the trajectory of your marketing success. They will reveal patterns, trends, and user behaviors that you never dreamed were attainable. Insights that will help you understand your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. Information that can be harnessed to create strategies, campaigns, and content, tailor-made to resonate with your target audience and achieve incredible results. Setting up your business account may seem daunting at first, but fear not. We will guide you step by step to make the process as smooth as possible. You will be a pro in no time at all, navigating new landscape with the savvy of seasoned Pinterest business users. Once your business account is ready, the next step is to create visually appealing graphics. But how can you achieve this without any graphic design knowledge? The answer is Canva. Canva, an online graphic design platform, will be your new best friend. It offers a user-friendly interface, a multitude of design options, and best of all, it's easy to learn. With Canva, you don't need to be a graphic design expert. You just need the will to learn and the desire to create. Creating captivating graphics is not just about making visually attractive images. It's about communicating your message effectively and engagingly. It's about making your audience stop, look, and take action. Captivating graphics can be the difference between a successful Pinterest campaign and one that falls flat. We will further explore Pinterest's link in bio feature, a powerful tool that allows you to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This means more clicks, more leads, and more conversions. Mastering this feature will give you an edge over your competitors and help you achieve your affiliate marketing goals faster. Creating pins is an art. It's more than just images and text. It's about emotions, connections, and experiences. And with Canva, converting Pinterest's potential into real results becomes more manageable. It's an art you can master. We'll delve into the pro.